3D sound and 3D graphics. The 3D sound is the most important thing of the project because it recreates a virtual wall inside your mind. This virtual wall is a 3D wall actually, and it makes you feel like the main character and you feel identified with the subject. The subject is also very important because it talks about a very problematic thing within the digital wall. It's about a mineral that makes possible to build all the digital stuff like mobile phones, computers, and everything that is digital. And that's why I think it's interesting because I'm using that, but also I'm using this problematic. So it's like a controversial thing. I use it 3D sound because surprise the people, makes people feel deep into the subject, and I think I can get involved the people in a cause, and I think I can surprise them. The name of the project is A Beautiful Bloody Sound, and it's beautiful because it's a 3D sound, and a bloody sound because the concept, the subject that I'm talking about, makes a lot of blood in Africa. So that's this rhetoric title for the project.